Hey Wauwatosa, I'm Dr. Jeff Grosskopf here at my clinic, Epic Life Chiropractic. And this video is for anybody who's dealing with chronic headaches, neck pain, or low back pain, or any conditions that can be associated with those chronic pains. And very simply, in each of these conditions, over the course of my career, we found two underlying conditions that can cause chronic pain that are, in my opinion, the number one cause of these chronic pains, but often get missed by other doctors, or you're just not getting the right workup and evaluation, and ultimately you're not getting the proper diagnosis. Without getting the proper diagnosis, you can't get the proper treatment plan. So the main two conditions that I find in my office is one, a condition called vertebral subluxation, and that's where the bones of the spine have become misaligned, and those misalignments then irritate the nervous system, which not only prevent healing, but then can cause chronic pain. Secondly, I find that patients have old injuries to the ligaments of their spine. And your ligaments are what are holding your spine together. Once the ligaments get injured, that can be a permanent injury. So we're able to find that on a specialized series of x-rays that we do here. Once we shoot your x-ray, we use artificial intelligence within our software, which can measure these x-rays. And if you have any old injuries to the ligaments of your spine that are causing headaches, neck pain, low back pain, we can identify it in just a couple minutes. And so the good news is that if we can help you, we can identify it very quickly, the problem, the root cause, but then we can give you the proper treatment plan. Now, with any of these conditions, I would highly recommend that you don't heat, stretch, or rub any of those areas that are sore because you're likely making the condition worse. It's so important that you have the proper testing done, which is a specialized set of x-rays that need to be done to find exactly what's causing your chronic pain. And that takes just minutes. But once you have the proper diagnosis, the treatment plan is simple. Helping people get better, we find, is very simple to help you get back to living your life pain-free, or at least with a lot less pain. On top of misalignments and ligament issues, I find patients can then have arthritis, degenerative disc, stenosis. Those conditions can cause pain, but they're not going to cause pain to the extent that ligament damage and misalignments can. The ligament injuries are typically what is the main source of pain. So even though you may have degeneration or arthritis, there is still hope. If we can find those other injuries and we can properly treat them, we can help you get better and start living a healthier life. I would recommend that you give us a call or use our website here to schedule a consultation. We look forward to meeting with you and seeing what we can do to help you. Take care.